Here is a 10-question multiple choice quiz about Christmas traditions in Jamaica for teens. Question 1. What is the traditional Christmas dessert often enjoyed in Jamaica? Is it A, fruitcake, B, Christmas pudding, C, sorrel cake, D, pumpkin pie? Question 2. What is the popular Jamaican drink served during Christmas made from a plant? A, ginger beer, B, soursop juice, C, sorrel, D, coconut water. Question 3. What is the name of the outdoor Christmas market that happens in Jamaica, especially on Christmas Eve? A, midnight market, B, grand market, C, Christmas Bazaar, D, holiday fair. Four. What is a popular meat dish served during Christmas dinner in Jamaica? A, roast turkey, B, jerk chicken, C, curry goat, D, ham. Question 5. Which type of music is commonly heard during Christmas time in Jamaica? A, reggae Christmas carols, B, gospel music, C, Mento, D, classical opera. Question 6. In Jamaica, Christmas celebrations often include a service on Christmas Day. What is this service called? A, Christmas Mass, B, Christmas Vigil, C, Christmas Morning Service, D, Midnight Service. Question 7. What plant is commonly used to decorate homes in Jamaica during Christmas? A, poinsettia, B, palm, C, fern, D, hibiscus. Question 8. In Jamaican tradition, what is the meaning of the Christmas star? A, the Star of Bethlehem guiding the wise men. B, a symbol of good luck for the new year. C, a representation of Jamaica's independence. D, a sign of harvest. Question 9. What is a common Christmas morning tradition for families in Jamaica? A, opening presents. B, going to grand market. C, attending church. D, visiting the beach. Question 10. Which of these is not a typical part of Jamaican Christmas dinner? A, rice and peas. B, roast breadfruit. C, ackee and saltfish. D, gungo peas and rice.